Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to another Use It Up or Find a Meal. I'm just randomly going through things that I have recorded and we've had in the fridge and freezer for the past couple of weeks. So one meal, I did buy the meat patties marked down and I found some chicken burgers in there. So we had burgers with some extra wedges left over as well. And then the next night we had some dim sims that were here. I actually got these from NQR. So we've cooked those in the rice cooker and then just had some veggies on the side with some rice, sour cream and sweet chili sauce for a bit of a flavour kick. The next night we had some chicken koftas that I'd found as a markdown as well as a bag of potatoes. So we've had some veggies on the side with that. My son didn't really like the koftas, so he's just had his dinosaur chicken nuggets. And we've had mashed potato veggies. They're a little bit oily to be honest, but they tasted alright. I really enjoyed them actually. The next night I've gone digging again through the fridge because we got this roast that we need to use up, and I actually cut it into sort of half, so the bigger pieces for the roast and then this will be chopped up for a stew, and that cooked up really nicely. My son's just had some sausage rolls with some wedges and veg. I put some Tuscan seasoning on top, wrapped it in alfoil and cooked it in the oven. I've used up as well the corn that we had that you would have seen in previous videos and cooked some veggies. And then next I've got a chicken crown roast. Spoiler alert, don't buy these. They're a waste. Basically it's a chicken with its arms and its legs pulled off. And it says that there's a whole lot of meat on there. We found it less meat than an actual like barbecue chook that you'd buy in the bag. So I won't be buying this ever again unless it's like $1 or $2. I think that would be worth it, but anything more I'm like no. And it took ages to cook as well, so yeah, not a fan. At Coles I happened to find some markdowns of some snow peas and also some bean shoots, so I grabbed those because I had this chicken that was in the fridge, so I blanched pretty much all of this and cut up some pieces to cook as well. So we've got some bits here that are saved, the rest went frozen. Oh yeah, I grabbed these shredded carrots at the shop as well. So now I'm just finding all the bits. This is what my fridge and freezer is. There's bits everywhere. It's the point of doing these. And some corn. And here's everything that we have here. I did have the noodles from a Woolworths grocery haul that you would have seen, as well as the sauce. So I'm just putting everything here together. I cut up the chicken. I've got the corn, I've got the snow peas, I've got half of the shredded carrot, the rest is frozen, so that will be good for another meal. I'm throwing in some broccoli, much to everyone's disappointment. And I'm just prepping the noodles with some hot water, mix it all through, and then we had this. I kept the bean sprouts to the side, so those that wanted to try some and put it in themselves, they could, but they weren't part of the main meal. Then we've got the Korean spicy bites. To me they were spicy, but to everyone else they were like, no. So, but they were really good. But we just cooked half the packet. The rest is in the freezer for another time, and we've had some wedges and some veggies on there as well. Then last night we've had some leftovers literally from my mum's house because they had a barbecue. So I'm cooking, oh yeah, here they are, the spicy Korean bites are back. We've got the meat left over from my mum and stepdad's. We've got some salad left over. We've got a potato bake and a cauliflower and cheese bake. So I reheated all of those and I cooked some chips as well as some of these spinach and ricotta triangle things. The family really liked them, so that was good. Everyone kind of had a mixture going through the plate of things. So, and this is very veggie-less because I was just so tired, but you know what, a meal is a meal. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I so appreciate your time, short but sweet, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.